Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen, and I've got some ordinary produce from the sea today. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do probably my most favorite, most expensive recipe, Southern Living Shrimp Casserole. Folks, we've done this one before, but we're gonna do it again, and I think we're gonna do it bigger and better than ever. But of course, along with me is my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. Everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over and pick it up. We definitely have a surprise guest visitor here. Turd, better known as Sergeant, is also going to be featured in this episode. He's hiding under the chair. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to melt our butter. And I'm going to use a whole stick of real butter. Jimmy and I always use real butter. And we're going to put this in our cast iron. Oh! I only fry in cast iron. That's not quite the truth. Let that butter get melted. And we're going to start sauteing our vegetables. Folks, the Southern Living Shrimp Casserole, interestingly enough, has been the #1 watched video on the Cooking with Kelbob YouTube channel. So all 19 of you that follow, thank you very much. But this one is really, really good. So I'm going to get that butter melted. I'm going to start sauteing my vegetables. So I've prepared one green bell pepper. I'm going to pour that in. One onion and 2 cloves of garlic. And I've got those minced up. Get my saute. I also have 4 green onions, sliced, diced. And 3 stalks of celery. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're such a good boy. Oh, you're kissing me. Always washing our hands while we cook. So, I've sauteed my vegetables for about 10 to 12 minutes, and they're very soft. And now I'm going to stir in 2 cans, and you can use whatever you want here: cream of mushroom, cream of chicken. I'm using cream of celery. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper. Give it a little bit of kick. You can use black pepper if you don't like the spicy stuff. And this is some spicy stuff. And now the final ingredient, 1.5 pounds of fresh Gulf peeled shrimp. And because I'm a shrimpaholic, I've got actually 2 pounds here. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my 2 pounds of shrimp. This is a bunch of shrimp. Not an inexpensive meal, by the way. So after my shrimp and my sauteed vegetables and my cream of celery soup, my salt and pepper have kind of brought it to a boil. I'm going to stir in a cup to a cup and a half of prepared long grain rice. I'm using just about a cup in this run. See how good that looks? So now I'm going to pour the mixture into a pre-greased 9x11 baking dish, lightly greased. See if I can do this without making a mess. Ah, very hot. Whew. Get out of that trash, Sherman. 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 Get out of that trash. You know you're not allowed in that trash. So the final step is to top our casserole, and we're going to use a combination of about a quarter to a half a cup of breadcrumbs and a cup of Colby Jack cheese. You like cheese, Sherman? Huh? You want to try some cheese? So we're just going to sprinkle this evenly. Like so. Now we're going to bake our Southern Living shrimp casserole for 25 minutes in a 350-degree oven. So in she goes. So this bad boy has cooked now for 25 minutes. We're going to dig in here, Sherman. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Sherman, we killed it. Oh, that's good. Oh, the shrimp in this thing is amazing. I'm a shrimpaholic. For Grilled Dog Sherman. Man, it's good. Kelbob, out.